Welcome back again to another video. So this video is another video to show you how to make application at an international university currently open for admission for 2025-2026. So the name of this university is Foscari University of Venice, Venezia. So let's go straight into the video. So when you come here, always change it to English. So you see it's Italian or English. So you're going to leave it in English. So, like I would advise you, do well to check out the things that you think would be of interest to you, like housing and canteen services and opportunities, targeted financial aids. But let's go straight to apply now. So you come here, you put in your country, you put here, it's two options. Applicants acquiring a visa. So do well to check out this informations, okay? So let's look at the deadlines, the admission rounds for 2025-2026, so you know the time frame that you have to make an application. So this is the time frame opened for non-EU citizens to make an application. So these are the information of the scholarship available. It's Kofkari Honor Scholarship, 10,000 euro per year, renewable for a second and a third year. Okay, and there's also another one for master degree program. This one is for bachelors, this is for master degree program, same amount. So he said that the application call will be opened in 2025, early 2025, and to be posted on the scholarship dedicated webpage. So do wait to check it out from next year. So let's go straight into the application. So we're going to use this filter to make it very easy for us. Select all, because we're going to be looking at both bachelor's degree program and master degree program. Then if you have interest for academic preparation here, you can also look at it. Academic here is this. So we're going to take out this. So it will be only the ones in English language that will come up. So these are the ones available in English language. So just do where to scroll down till the end to see all the programs available. Okay, all of these upper ones, they are all master degree programs. So you see these ones, 3 years bachelor's degree programs. So this is how all of these ones, they are all in English language. Okay, all of it, they are all in English language. Please always do well to read. So I'm going to be taking one as an example. Okay, data science and information technology as an example to see how the application works. Now please take your time. You see the tuition fee is 1,300 per year. Now take your time to always read more information before you go into the application. Okay, now to get more information about this program, these are all the details about the program. It's 30 euros application fee, which is for all the programs in this university. Then minimum 3 years bachelor degree or higher. Okay, so just carefully read the information. You see the minimum GP is from 77 to 85. So this one is from second class honors, which is both lower and upper can apply. They require you to have this, must have acquired this amount of credits in this particular courses in your BSc. Okay, your CV is required, your transcript is required. So just read well. Then now this one, you see that under this English language proficiency, this English that they are demanding now, they said this level is mandatory, but you see here now there's an exemption. Okay, exemption, always look at the exemption category. Motivation letter is needed. So This exemption category, we are going to see now that you can actually use an English proficiency letter or a letter stating that English was the mode of instruction for your high school diploma or for your BSc program. Look at it here. You attended or completed higher education studies or at least 1 year of college in a country in which English is a medium of instruction. You acquired a qualification, higher school diploma or university qualification in Italy or abroad at the conclusion of a period of study taught entirely in English. This one too, even if you've done only 1 year, you are exempted. Means you can just get a letter stating that, oh, I did my program in English language. So many Nigerians are already aware of this. So IELTS is not compulsory, or any other certificate of English language is not compulsory. So if you also want more information, you can read down. Okay, now let's apply. So this is Dream ID. I think some other schools use this platform as well. So if you're a new applicant, you click here. I'm a new applicant. You register, put in your email, and then you continue. Okay, and then you make your registration. So after you've created your account, you've registered, you now come back here, sign in and register, which is sign in stroke register. So you will now put in that email address. You will now also put your password. Okay. So after you have entered the platform, you see, because I already created an account here, you have one application that has not been submitted yet. So, and it's telling me I have 14 unresolved tasks. So this is actually how it works. So I'm going to come here. So this, remember, we choose computer science. So you will choose the study plan that you want. So say this program offer 3. For example, you are going for this, you choose the study plan. So let's just choose artificial intelligence. You see, it will show good. Okay. So the one you've resolved, it will show good. That's how it goes down, 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 down till you finish up. Okay. So it's asking you now. I have yet to check if my previous studies outside this program. I have checked. So you must have checked based on the requirement earlier to see. So you place I have checked, meaning you already know that you meet the requirements. You see, it will show good. Then you upload your transcript, your priorities. I have read the information provided. So as you upload every stage, you understand me, it gives you a mark here, good, stating that you've already done that particular stage. Okay, you upload your bachelor's degree program. So that is how the application works till you will now get to your application fee. Okay, so guys, that is it. It's very easy to pay the application fee. So even here there's a note said it will be possible to pay your application fee and submit your application starting from Monday 23 December. So as I tell, I'll be posting this video, it would already be past Monday. Okay, so those people who have even started applying since on the 19th, they will not even be able to pay. This is on the 18th when it didn't even open till on Monday. So if you have any questions, please do what to ask me on this video. Like I said before, and I will always say again, I don't know why you have not liked this video at this point. Please like it, subscribe to this YouTube channel, help me share my video. I have a paid Telegram group on where people join and like offer guidance and one-on-one assistance. So if you're interested, send me an email or send me a message on any of my social media platform. I have their names on my profile. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you success in your admission, and then all the best. Ciao.